Srinivasa Ramanujan's magic square. This is a magic square, and this square looks like any other normal magic square. But this is formed by a great mathematician of our country, Srinivasa Ramanujan. Do you want to know what is great in it? First, let's see what is a magic square. A magic square consists of a square array of numbers whose row, column and diagonal sum adds to the same number. Each square should have a distinct non-zero positive integer. No two squares should have the same integer. The first chapter in Ramanujan's notebook is about construction of magic squares. The magic square construction methodology developed by him is a rediscovery. And chapter 1 in the first notebook of Ramanujan is the only chapter which has the title Magic Squares. Srinivasa Ramanujan magic square. Let's see how does it work. Now this is Srinivasa Ramanujan's magic square, and now the sum of number of any row. If we add any row, we get the sum as 139. Now similarly, if we add any column, that is the sum of the numbers of any column, we get it as 139. Now if we add the sum of the numbers of any diagonal, that is the yellow one or the purple one, we get it as 139. All this is common in a normal magic square. Now let's see what's more different in Ramanujan's magic square. Sum of four corner numbers, that is the green colored one, 22, 87, 19 and 11 is 139. Similarly, sum of identical colored boxes is 139. The sum of identical colored boxes in this is also 139. Sum of central square 17, 9, 24 and 89 is 139. And sum of identical colored boxes, that is the squares, is also 139. Sum of this identical colored boxes is also 139. And the most important relation in this magic square is the numbers in the first row, that is 22, 12, 18 and 87. That is 22, 12, 18, 87 is Srinivasa Ramanujan's birthday, 22nd December 1887. And also the sum of 22, 12, 18 and 87 sums up to 139, which is a prime number. Now let's see the formula for formulation of the magic square. This is Srinivasa Ramanujan's magic square, and the formula for this is this, where DD is date, MM is month and YY is the 4-digit year. That is, small y is the hundreds. For example, 2021. So 20 is small y and capital YY is 21. Now in Ramanujan's magic square, DD is 22, month 12, small yy is 18, capital YY is 87. Now let's see does this formula works. First DD 22, MM 12, small yy 18, capital YY 87. Now let's see whether this formula works for this. Now the next one is YY plus 1, that is 87 plus 1, YY plus 1, 87 plus 1, 87 plus 1, 88. Yes, it worked out. Yes, did we get the same one? Now the next one is YY minus 1, that is 18 minus 1, 17. Now next one, MM minus 3, 12 minus 3, 9. DD plus 3, 22 plus 3, that is 25. So let's check the second row, 88, 17, 9, 25. So similarly, if we proceed with the next row, MM minus 2, 12 minus 2, 10. DD plus 2, 22 plus 2, 24. YY plus 2, 87 plus 2, 89. YY minus 2, 18 minus 2 16. Next yy plus 1, 18 plus 1 19, yy minus 1, 87 minus 1 86, dd plus 1 22 plus 1 23, minus 1 12 minus 1 11. So did we get the same? 22 12 18 87. Yes, same. Next 88 17 9 25. Yes. Next third one 10 24 89 16. Yes. Next last row 19 86 23 and 11. So this formula worked out for us. Now like this we can create our own magic square with our date of birth. First I'll put the formula for you, and then the sample date of birth. That is the video posting date 16 December 2021. If I take in this, the dd is 16, is 12, small yy is 20, because 20 21 the 4 digit, first 2 digits is the small yy, the next 2 digits capital yy is 21 the year. Okay, now let's formulate it. Now first one date 16, next month 12, yy is 20, yy is 21. Now let's go with the formula. Yy plus 1 21 plus 1 22, next 20 minus 1 19, 9, dd plus 3 19, next formula is 10, 18 23 18 21 20 17 and 11. So this is the numbers which we got: 16 12 20 21, 22 19 9 19, 10 18 23 18, 21 20 17 11. And now if we add any row or if we add any column, then we should get the same number. If we add 16 plus 12 plus 20 plus 21, that is 69. And now you check adding diagonals or rows and columns, you will get the same number, that is 69. So we have made a magic square with our date of birth also. So like this, with our date of birth you can make your magic square. Thank you.